What's going on, guys? Steve here with Adventure Off-Road X, and I've got a little tech tip for you guys. My recent trip out to Windrock up in Tennessee for the ultimate off-road field trip, I got a little fender bender with a fellow Jeeper. Took my mirror out, a little bit more damage. Either way, I called up my sponsors, Phillips, Chrysler, Dodge here in Ocala, Florida, and they hooked me up with a brand new mirror, which is awesome. But I want to show you this, guys. It's super easy. These are the tools that are supplied with your Jeep when you buy it. Comes like this, and everything you need is right here. So let me show you how to do this, guys. So again, the mirror, I kind of pointed it out a little bit, and it's broke here. We had to like do a little zip tie action. Came out pretty good. But all it is these 3 bolts. It's these 3 bolts and then a plug. Super easy. So we're gonna do this real quick for you guys, and hopefully, if you've never done one, or if you've just want to see how it's done, I'm gonna do it for you. Like I said, all you do is you take the supplied toolkit, wrench here. You have 2 sizes. One, you have a bigger one, and you have this one here. This is a T40. If you don't have the toolkit, it is a T40 to do it. You just put this thing in here. You hold that one, babe. Hold the mirror up. Hold it up. There's one plug. That's it. There's your mirror off, all in one piece. Got our brand new one here. Guys, the other thing too that's very important is there's all kinds that you can get online. You can get the cheaper ones, but I would highly suggest going with an OEM. One, you know it's going to be 100% fitment, and 2, a lot of these things are ran by computers now, so you won't have to put a program in it or something like that. So again, this is VIN specific because certain mirrors are all different. Mine has the heated, it also has the signals, so it tells me when the blind spot, anti-fog, so it's very, very important. But again, all you do, take it, put your clip in, there's 2 little guide pins that are in there, so remember the little guide pins, just hold that like that. Just like that, you just run the bolts back in. Super simple. Takes no time. That's it, guys. Pretty easy. It's not hard at all. So, again, real fast little tech tip, replacing your mirror. So, you guys have a good day, and remember, enjoy your adventure.